So we were Reishi foraging today.
What are we doing today?
It's been a while. We're gonna go look for reishi mushrooms.
We took back the Reishi, pulled out the dirt and the grass and whatever we could. Because they were so wet, I actually soaked them really quick in some water. And sort of like cleaning salad greens, tried to get the heavy debris off, give them a rinse, let them drip dry, and I've sorted them into 3 pans. What I just kind of roughly described as our premium ones, and I'm not sure there's actually a great way to grade them, but ones that I felt were of nice, not necessarily size, but nice color, and underneath looked pretty good shape. They're strong and just seem to be younger than some of these nice little pieces. So I picked out the ones I thought might be some of the nicest. We're going to dry these. I went through a second batch and just found other ones that maybe had a little more decay, seemed a little older. Again, it may be arbitrary. They may be absolutely as good for extraction, but I just wanted to differentiate the pans a little bit. Third group, these were bits and pieces, ones that maybe had some obvious molds or things on them that I was concerned about drying them, and there's an artist conch in here. Some things I just wasn't as happy with, or bits or pieces, just seemed a little dirtier and full of holes and spongy. We're gonna set up to tincture these, do a dual extraction tincture with them. And all I'm gonna do is cut them up into some like 1-inch pieces while they're still soft. I'm gonna jam them in here as reasonably tight as I can. There's some chaga from a couple years ago. Throw the rest of that in there. So we'll cut it up. We're gonna take some high alcohol vodka, just neutral grain spirit. We're gonna cover it up to near the top. We're gonna shake it up, and we will shake it every day for about a month. And then we will strain off and press out all of the juices. And then we will boil the chaga and the reishi in a crock pot. We'll just simmer it in a crock pot for at least 2 days. We'll pull off the liquid from that. We'll combine the 2 liquids. So we have a water base, and then we have a alcohol base, and that becomes a double extraction tincture. And then we can hold it in that condition as a low to moderate alcohol tincture for using.